Where I'm standing out here, there's actually a huge variety of seaweeds and algae. Different from plants, but similar in that they do photosynthesis. Let's start with the greens. The green algae, this one is Codium fragile, also called dead man fingers. There is some Ulva lactuca, type of sea lettuce here. There's also some green rope algae, although I don't see any at this exact spot. You just have to trust me, it's here. And then for red algae, we've got a variety of them. There's lots of these filamentous red, kind of wiry ones. The Turkish washcloth here, Masticarpus is another red algae. There is some iridescent kelp here. Can't really see it shining until it's underwater. And then there are the coralline algae as well. So this encrusting pink down here is a type of red algae. There's also some filamentous forms of that as well. And then we have the brown algae, and there are so many here at this spot. We've got feather boa kelp, this long one, very feathery with those floats nematocysts attached to it. There is sea cabbage, which appears to attach just directly right to the rock with not much of a holdfast at all. There's midrib kelp here, this one that's got this central stipe. There's bull kelp, and that's the majority of what's floating out there. It's gonna be bull kelp, but here's some of it here. There is so much algae here. And then there actually is a true plant. This is surf grass. And this is looking a little worse from all of the low tides lately that coincided with some really strong sunlight. So a lot of this has bleached and it has died back, but if we get to the base of it, it's all healthy and living and just fine down there. So these bits of the dead stuff will break off, and it's just like mowing your lawn. The rest of the grass will grow up underneath. All in all, super productive habitat. Each one of these types of seaweeds with different adaptations that allow them to survive here, and pretty stiff competition for space and resources. And all of this is a part of the reason why so many animals can live here. Not only do they eat the seaweed and algae directly, but the presence of this seaweed off the coast here is actually helping to keep the larvae of a lot of these spawners, broadcast spawners, keep it close to shore in a viable area. If the currents are too stiff and there's not kelp out there to help kind of buffer them, those larvae will wash out into deep water where they might not stand a chance of survival. So all of this algae is working together for the health of this ecosystem. And it's something that me as a marine biologist and a scientific educator, I'm always really glad to see.